There's a coffee cup sitting by the sink, cold as the silence every time I think. Your picture's gone, but the mark remains, like summer dust after midnight rain. I took the long way home again, drove past the place where we began. That old front porch, that window light, still pulls me back every single night. I can change the road, I can change this town, but everywhere I go, your memory follows me around. I still got your name on the tip of my tongue, still hear your voice in every old song, still feel your touch when the cold wind blows, still see your face everywhere I go. I lost your love, but the truth remains, my heart still carries your name. I tried new faces, I tried new rooms, tried drowning the past beneath cheap perfume, but every smile just fades too soon and leaves me talking to the moon. They say time heals, but time moves slow, when the one you need is the one who let go. I keep pretending I'm doing fine, but your goodbye still lives in mine. I can shut the door, I can kill the light, but your shadow finds me in the middle of the night. I still got your name on the tip of my tongue, still hear your voice in every old song, still feel your touch when the cold wind blows, still see your face everywhere I go. I lost your love, but the truth remains, my heart still carries your name. Maybe one day I'll wake up free, and your memory won't have a hold on me, but tonight I'm pouring one more glass, trying to make peace with the past. I still got your name on the tip of my tongue, still hear your voice in every old song, still feel your touch when the cold wind blows,